What is up? The goal of this video is to make a logical diagrams using database. So let's get started. It will ask a password. Alright, once your password is in, you are now into a server. So once your connection is ready, you can go here and start building models. And what you have to click is this plus sign. And now right here in physical schemas, you can rename your database. Once you name it, just click it and it will save it. So now go to the model and add diagram. This way you can build an enhanced entity relationship diagram, which stands EER. So here you have a bunch of these tools to make some tables and relations. Right here is your table logo. Once you click on it, select it, and then click here right here in your workspace. So it will create a table. And now if you want to rename it, then double click on it and it will ask whatever the name you want to store. I will save as a customer. Over here I want to save some columns for customer table, like customer name, customer ID. So for that, right here in the column where you can see, you have to click right here and add a customer ID and make sure that primary key is checked. After this, you can create other columns in the same way just by clicking here and adding the name, like first name and then last name. Right, so now you have a customer table right here. Now what I want is another table so I can build a relation between them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an order table. And so how we make it, we click it right here again, we come over here and click here in the workspace and you got the table. Now for renaming, you just double click on it and rename it as order. So right after it, the first step is gonna be making a order ID, which is gonna be my primary key, and then order date and shipment date will be some other columns where user can store some data. So now you can build some relationships between customer and order by using these relationships, which are one-to-one, one-to-many, one-to-one, one-to-many, and then many-to-many. Some of them are non-identifying and other are identifying. For customer and order, I'm gonna select one-to-one relationship. So what I will do, I will first click on the customer table and then on the order table. So it will give me one-to-one relationship on both sides. The cardinality right here is one-to-one, which means that minimum one order belongs to one customer and one customer has at least one order. So what if I want to change my cardinality to 0, which means that customer may not order a product. So at that time, cardinality would be 0. So to change your cardinality at 0, we will double click on this relationship. Right here is a foreign key tab right at the end. Once you're here, you can see you have a customer table reference and order table reference, and your cardinality is set to one-to-one. Here you can uncheck your mandatory on whichever side you want the cardinality to be 0 at minimum. So here it will change the cardinality to 0. Another thing I want to show you here is that how can we have a caption between the two tables. We can create them by going to the models, model options, diagram, uncheck the default from global setting, and check show captions right here and click OK. So now you can see you have a caption. Just double click this caption to change the name. I want to name it as place. So this is how we create a logical table in database and columns inside a table. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.